Have you ever been to an amusement park and looked up at a roller coaster and gone, do I want to ride that? It looks kind of awesome, but I also might puke. I'm not sure. Roller coasters can be tough because once you get on, there's no getting off. You're on for the whole ride, and if something doesn't work for you about that roller coaster, you're kind of stuck. And what we don't want is for sex to be like a roller coaster. But for lots of people, it can feel that way. I've talked with many people who worry that if they start anything at all with their partner, that then they're going to be on for the whole ride. And if they need to slow down or switch gears, that's not going to be received really well. So let's get rid of the roller coaster. And instead, let's talk about the sex trolley. Trolleys are fun because you can do whatever you want. You can ride them for a little bit of time. You can ride them for the whole route. You can jump off when you want to. You can kind of hop back on later if that's what you want to do. There's lots of opportunities on a trolley to make it fit your needs and just relax and enjoy the ride because you know you're not stuck there. So let's get rid of the roller coaster and let's hop on the sex trolley.